On my final day in Shenzhen during my recent trip, I had a quick visit to Ownboard's factory. This factory space that you see here is actually not their current factory. This is their previous location because they recently moved. But anyway, while I was there, I got to look at their currently available products, as well as some products that they don't currently sell, such as this all-terrain board.
This is almost out of battery. So I'm using one of their, I'm at Ownboard right now, Ownboard's factory. This is their one of their all-terrain boards. So a lot of people were interested in this kind of board. Oh god, it's heavy. The reason that they don't sell it is because shipping is just way too expensive. They said that shipping one of these to like the US would cost more than the board itself. So they actually have a bunch of different remotes. Not a bunch, I saw 3 different kinds. This is one of them. So this one is of course the W1 Pro. Let me just give you a close look at the EVA foam.
The W1 Pro has this LCD display that shows the battery percentage and voltage level.
So the EVA foam, it's pretty cool. It actually looks better in person. I think in photos it didn't look as good, but in person it actually looks alright. But it does feel a little bit, it's of course not as grippy. It's not as grippy as grip tape. They said so themselves. If you want to go fast, maybe use grip tape.
And here's the Ownboard Mini. I only tried this board for a few minutes, but I think this is probably my favorite Ownboard product at this time. I think this would be great to use in the city, and I have a feeling this is a viable competitor to the Boosted Mini.
It's got this kicktail. It's kind of fun, like skating around in the factory. Let's see how heavy it is. Yeah, it's kind of heavy. It's like a W1.
Remember Jerry?
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. This is Jerry from Onboard.
So this is how they improve the water resistance of the battery.
Waterproof battery. You can see.
So this is the C1. It has a slight W concave, just a little bit. It's shorter than the W1. Let's see, who is this for? I don't know. I guess if you want a smaller deck, something smaller than the W1, I guess maybe this is right for you.
Compared to the W1, the C1 is shorter and therefore has a smaller turn radius. By the way, let me tell you some stuff about Ownboard that you might not have known. Ownboard is actually not the name of this company. The company is called Shenzhen Jointech Electronic, and Ownboard is just the name that they gave to this line of B2C products. The company mainly does OEM and ODM services for products like electric kick scooters and of course electric skateboards. They've been in business since 2013, so if you want to make and sell your own brand of electric skateboards, this is something that they specialize in. I didn't have a lot of time there, so I didn't shoot that much, and I only tried each board for a few minutes. But I hope this video was at least somewhat informative. If you have any questions about anything you saw in this video, go ahead and leave a comment and I'll try to respond, or maybe Ownboard will respond. Anyway, thanks for watching.